guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Reba Love and this is my introduction video.
I testify for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I'm feeling like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, was getting through. I'm not. Long if you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it.
So what my channel is going to consist of, it's going to consist of vlogs, hauls, tutorials, a day in the life of Reba, story time, things of that nature. You get where I'm going. But I do want you guys to get to know me a little bit more. I don't know what to say as far as, so you guys can get to know me. So what I do want y'all to do is just comment down below questions that y'all want me to answer, questions that y'all want to know about myself. And I promise that I will make a separate video answering all of those questions because I do want you guys to get to know who I am. But yeah, this channel is going to be a very fun, girly, glitz and glamour channel. But yeah, I don't know. This is my very first video, so I am kind of like, a little nervous and shy, even though I'm just talking in front of a camera, but still, because I know a lot of people is going to see this, so I am a little nervous. But I told myself that I wanted to do a channel. I do have a family channel though, with my family. It's called the Harper Squad. You guys follow that channel. We do vlogs, pranks, challenges, things of that nature. So yeah, go follow that channel as well. I'll put that down below. But I said that I wanted to start my channel, my own personal channel, because I got a lot of things that I want to show you guys, and I think that it's important for me to have my own. But yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below. Like I said, whatever videos y'all want me to do, and any questions y'all want to know about me, so I can do a Q&A video. And subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and interact with me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.